Hey guys, in today's video you're gonna learn how to fake camera movement in TuneSkit AceMovi. Drag your video onto the timeline, add a keyframe at the start of the video. Change the scale of the video to focus on the object, so to speak the person in this case. And then move several seconds forward, add another keyframe. And then move the position of the video horizontally, and then go several seconds forward and do the same steps for several times. When you're okay with it, click export and save the video to a computer. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.